You probably noticed this. You start a physics problem, and within a minute, you're confused, overwhelmed, or stuck in the wrong direction. And you think, I don't know enough, I'm bad at this. But that's not the real issue. The problem isn't your intelligence, it's your setup. I'm the Physics Sensei, PhD in physics, black belt in karate, and 30 years teaching college students just like you. My job is simple to train you the right way. So physics becomes something you can do, not something you fear. So in this video, I'll show you why your setup decides whether you solve the problem or you get stuck and how to fix that in three simple steps. Most students jump into solving too fast. They write equations before understanding the situation. They plug the numbers before seeing the relationships. They start calculating without a clear plan. And of course, they get lost. You can't solve what you haven't set up correctly. Because physics is not just about getting the answer, it's about building the map. When the map is clear, the path is obvious. When the map is messy, every step feels like guessing. If your diagram is unclear, your knowns and unknowns are mixed. Your variables are not labeled. Your givens aren't organized. Then the entire problem becomes heavier than it should be. It feels impossible even though the physics might be simple. And here's the painful truth. Every time you skip the setup, you double the difficulty. You create your own confusion and you blame yourself when the problem was never given a fair chance. In the dojo, if your stance is wrong, every move that follows is wrong. Your power is off, your balance is off, your timing is off. Setup determines success, and physics is the same. Good setup creates easy problems. Bad setup creates impossible ones. Remember, every black belt was once a white belt, and every master started as a beginner. Repetition made them strong, not talent. The same is true in physics, and the same could be true for you. So let me show you how to fix this. First, do something easy. Take one problem you have already solved, ignore the solution. Just do the setup. Draw the diagram, list the knowns, identify the unknowns. Stop there. You're training clarity. You're not solving yet. Next, add a little challenge. Find three problems you solved before and do the setup for each one. Clean and slow. Diagrams, labels, variables, knowns, unknowns, but no equations yet, just the structure of the problem. Last, give yourself a small push. Pick one new problem and do only the setup. Don't solve it, just build the map, and if the setup is clean, the solution will almost fall out on its own. This might look simple and easy, and that is exactly why it works. Skill grows by repeating simple steps, not by rushing into the algebra. Train the basics, build your foundation, and let consistency become your advantage. If this gives you clarity today, then you're already won. And if you need more help, the dojo is ready when you are. Your next rep is waiting inside the dojo. Try the free demo and keep training. I'll see you inside.